So we need to split up the article into two sections, a left and a right. And looking at this cookie clicker sample, right, we can click on the cookie and click on the buildings. We need to split up the article, which is this portion here, into two sides. There's one side on the left and one side on the right. Okay, and so the way we're going to do that is we're going to come over here to our cookie clicker HTML. We're going to skip over the header because that, of course, is this portion at the top of our web page, and we're going to go into our article. Okay, and so our article, we don't need the picture, we don't need these div classes, so I'm going to come inside the container and I'm going to delete this stuff. Okay, so now I got an empty container. I do want the padding at the top and the bottom, so I'm going to leave that. But in here, I need to make two div boxes. So I'm going to say div class equals 3 columns. This is going to be the cookie picture, and /div to close that up. And then I'm going to do the same thing. So I'm going to copy and paste. And this one I'm going to make it 9 columns. And I'm going to put here buildings. I'll save that. I'll come over to my web page and I'll refresh. And here I got my cookies and my buildings. And I think that that is good. Well, let's go ahead and put a background color on both of those to see if the size is good. Oh no, this is an ID. So we're going to say ID equals B color. I'm going to copy this and put it right here as well. Save that and I'll refresh. I think that looks good to me. You might want to think about changing this guy to be 4 columns wide and this one here to be 8. Actually, I think I'm going to do that. So here's 4 and here is 8. I'll save that. I'll refresh, and now we have the space that we need to make our cookie clicker game. Our cookie's going to go over here and our buildings are going to go over here.